A wonderful evening from here. A warm greetings to all the lovers of freedom, all the patriots who have been fighting to make sure we got hygiene. It's not only in Africa right now because the whole world is at mess. A very big shout out to you, to all the Italian citizens, the good ones who have been in this struggle to make sure they end these shenanigans over there. I'm in solidarity with you guys. I'm seeing the pains you are going through in trying to protest against what is happening there right now. A lot of you know, because of the censorship, I will not be mentioning a lot of things. I will say God be with you. And a shout out to people also in Switzerland. I'm seeing what you are doing. God bless you. A shout out to also our brother that is in Australia right now. I see what the police are doing to make sure they restrict you guys from speaking what you get to speak. And a shout out to also our brothers who we are in the same struggles together. The good ones in France. God bless you all. Also people here in solidarity. In Spain also, God bless you all. Also in Germany, God bless you all. All over the world, God bless you. God bless you. Also, we also have a lot of people there in Canada who are putting on their effort to make sure that the land that God has promised us will get there. So, please, if you are watching, kindly do me a favor by sharing this very broadcast. Today, again, it's going to be very lovely. We are going to be having a wonderful time again, as many of you that have shared now. So God Almighty will also join to share part of your problem. In the name of God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit. In the name of God of Nnamdi Kanu, may you be blessed all the rest days of your life. So I told you, what we want to start doing right now is to change the narrative of yesterday, because there are a lot of things that have gone wrong in yesterday's narrative. So we have to change it. Very, very important we change it. So for those of us that are still holding the line, please keep on holding the line. Don't get fainted. It may seem you are going down, but I promise you something. When you never expected, God is going to come to that your situation. When you never expected, God is going to visit that ugly situation. So it is like that. Nothing can stop what is coming. He's a sure banker. Our father that do play coupon. Oh, this one a banker. Arsenal will beat Liverpool for house. They'll come for Casa 98 to see how they team meet. Once he comes like this, they play for so and so stadium. So I've evaluated the whole thing. That's why I'm joyous today. The most happiest person on earth today is me. Why? Because I believe and I've been told by Jehovah every that Newton, worry not what you have been fighting for. The manifestation will come. So if you are having the same faith with me, let not your heart be troubled. We will get there. So for those of you that have not shared, kindly do me a favor by doing a massive sharing. A massive sharing demanded from the Archbishop of Activism. Please do me a favor by doing a massive sharing still. As I also do mine from here. As I do mine from here, if you don't fight for what you want, you will cry for what you lost. Or do not cry for what you lose. So it's two options. You have to choose one. I'm still trying to do one or two sharing from my own end here. Also try to do yours also. To the glory of God and to the shame of the Babylons we have in our society. Now, today we want to be talking about a lot of things. We want to be talking about a lot of things today. Please, if you have not shared, make sure you do just that. Very, very important to share. It is very, very important that you share. Before you start watching, your share, and I want to appreciate each and every one of you that also appreciate the grace of God over my life. I'm a true definition of grace. Not even people that are stand through the Man Church. I am a true definition of grace. Because if I begin to see what God is using me to do today, if you want to talk about academic, I cannot be doing. So I am a true definition of grace. because I choose to make myself available. That's why God Almighty have made me able. We are going to be talking about a lot of shenanigans today in our society. People are not truthful to themselves. And I'm giving this last warning. Don't be double-minded. Our people, you find out that they are very double-minded. And a double-minded man is unstable his way. And you cannot expect a society that is full of double-minded people may develop. And we are going to be critically looking at the Obaseki situation. And I've told a lot of people, only me, in the whole world, in the whole globe. A lot of you say Obaseki is my friend, I accept it. But how does the Bible clarify friendship? How does it clarify friendship? He said a person friend, the tepe it is. Tepe say it is this man. Now Bini parable be that. So who God love it change styles? Because I love my people. That's why I castigate the governor most of the time. I castigate him because of the injection issue. That's the only problem I have with him. In every other areas, he's doing his best to how he met the states. So please, just help me do sharing as I'm also doing mine from here. Very, very important. And nothing will stop the sun from shining. Add it by the back of your mind. Nothing will stop the sun from shining. Not even the gate of hell can stop the sun from shining. Not even the gate of hell can stop the sun from shining. And nothing is going to stop what is coming. Nothing will stop what is coming. I've told you about the trumpet. The trumpet is going to sound. It's going to sound in a time you never expected. That's why every one of us should be getting prepared. We should be getting prepared. For those of you holding the line, please try and hold the line. He said, the just shall live by faith. The just shall live by faith. To avoid further distraction, I end up sharing there. Why introduce today's topic to you? One by one, one after the other. I introduce today's topic to you. Please, if you are watching, the sun must shine. That's number one. Nothing can stop what is coming. They are trying to keep this calm going at all costs. They are trying to keep it. Save yourself. Stop human trafficking. I saw in the news that one happened yesterday. About whether 11 Nigerians were sentenced to 100-something years imprisonment combined together because of human trafficking, which I'm going to be reading the news to you here. We have to desist away from that. It helps. It doesn't help in any manner. Do not be double-minded, and the government are not always the major problem, but you sometimes. The governments are not always the major problem, but you sometimes. Do you know how you are the problem? Because you are double-minded. Imagine people does not even know what they want. People does not. It is there in your Bible. Open to the book of James chapter 1 verse 8. He said a double-minded person, a double-minded idiot is unstable in all his ways. Now, there was should I call it an interview or one stupid whatever platform, the most awkward platform in my life. Because these people, they don't want to grow. That's why he ought in the responsible. I'll be telling those people, don't give chance to all these shenanigans to be speaking on your behalf. They are costing men. How can you be, you just be there castigating one governor since 2017? Nothing is done as you like. A governor I can pay for, I'm the one hitting him today. You are not even an opposition. You are not even correcting the governor. At the time you lie in your activism, he does not tell well about you. At the time you lie in accusing the governor, I think they said that the governor Obaseki went to somewhere and removed electric poles. I want to show you the pictures of the electric poles that they brought. How will somebody be that wicked? Do you know what it's going to take you to remove electric pole from the ground? It is better you buy a new one because it's going to cost you more. Look at it. My people, this one be like electric pole where they remove come off for ground. Do you know what the time is going to take you? I don't think we are seeing it because the over reflection of the sun. I don't think we are seeing it. Not that they want me showing it to, but I just want to show some part of it. Look at where the thing we are made. Is here. So why are we lying? Every one of us should know right now, the The federal government of Nigeria or the APC government is bad. We want to change the system. Okay, right now you are talking to governor. Okay, you hate Igbo people, good, no problem. You have the right to hate them. Why not also talk about what is happening in Nigeria today? What is interesting you about Nigeria? The whole Nigeria should be shut down. That's why people like us are agitating. Not go to Igbo land. Go and see the manager governor is doing there. I think Obaseki is one of the best governors. Did Obaseki went and borrow money from schools? Go and ask Wike where he get the money from. Go and ask Wike where he get the money from. He used it time over hybrid. Is it all over hybrid? We don't know what's called development. You yourself, the government need to first of all develop you because you are an idiot. Imagine you don't have sense. You have to first of all go and create adult illiteracy school. Governor Obaseki have to go and create adult illiteracy school because anything he does, you don't even have the sense of belonging to control it. That's why today people kill yourself. You carry gun, use it to kill yourself. Common man now you get. Now to they talk anyhow. Now the association or the movement that they gave to you, look at how you are, you manage to manage. You have a platform there, you pack a lot of idiots. Pack them up, be talking. Why not one day create a content? Let the government also learn from you. Look at how this thing is being done. No criticism all the time. Okay, now Oshomole is the best person in life. 30 billion water storm project. I know they talk about that. The house he built, the country he built in Yanomon. I know they talk about that. He went and built university in his own village. Which other place he built and put? Mumuden. Please, if you know your brain is with you, you are not like all these animals, please come out and be speaking, represent the Edos. That's why today, other people don't do what tomorrow, they will get their freedom. The Biafran people, they will get their freedom. Where we one day? Where we one day? You cannot just come and attacking the governor. Is if Testami Road to do the one in one another time. Today, an activist who were supposed not to even have a friend. I don't even have any friend. Even not because what you people are doing. I will not be talking about Obaseki. Deal what the same thing you guys did that make me to say Obaseki must win. The same thing Wawewu, because you are not educating the people. How will you be talking about this administration? You are not talking about the past one. Okay, how is Edo State? How has it been? Right now, it does not give money to the Agbeu. Now, if your so-called godfather now, or the people who are the campaign for, want their belly food, then you are belly food. Right now, they are destroying their houses and destroying their properties. Then you are annoying. Why not stay on your lane? I can't get it. Why not come become Mumu? Is it how it's done it where you are? Is it how it's done it where you are? As an activist, you are supposed to join the government, whosoever that, even though the new governor, the city governor does not even know about it, the incumbent governor doesn't even know about it. Remind him, sir, why are you leaving this thing like this? Why this thing not be done? How Oshomole came, 5-star hospital around the corner. He go borrow equipment, take on Opuna. Today you are praising Oshomole, but erosion is still in Benin. Idiot Iwawa. Idiots. Set of people. Then I've said it before. Obaseki is the best governor to my point of view because you have accepted that you are a slave. Slave does not need light. That's why he's building school so that to teach you. So that the reason why you are not a slave. There are complaints you don't give. There are a lot. 6 billion things to talk about that is happening in our country today. Right now, customs are using rice to bribe bandits. Okay, what system is functioning in Nigeria? Tell me what is happening in another state. All you people know about is Total Road. Now they catch you now. Just Total Road. Is road still a problem in Europe right now? Why are they still criticizing some government in Europe? Road is not a problem. You yourself, you need to be taken care of because your head not correct. The government right now is even thinking, why are there too many bamboo in Edo State? Even when it's working, you assume it's not working because one particular place you put your eye, that road has not been tied. Can you walk? Are you a submarine? Can you walk in the rainy season? Because it stopped Unaoga from collecting Agbeu money. Right now, I'm going to be skipping this one right now. We'll have a more better thing to talk about. Not all this. I'm waiting for the life that is coming. Even the life that is coming, no APC, no PDP. All the Wana. That's why I'm happy today. Because you people have a limited time. Now, let's talk about the anti-grazing bill that you guys are shouting Obaseki not bring. Now, who owns the cow in Benin? Who owns the cow in Edo? Who owns the cow in Edo? Now, you guys can't talk because una no say, now una papa, now they give that water stone project to. Now go make Obaseki here kill most of them. Obaseki still is not my enemy. I've said he's going to go to jail because what you have done about the injection. That one is true. I may also go and visit him in Guantanamo. But that one does not make me, when you are burying him alive, I will not still talk about it. I will still talk about it. He remained a dose favorite today. That was why he won. Then this same idiot in America started bringing out because he know that Consul Philip was the one that lived trip in 1897 to Benin to conquer Benin. He started saying Philip Shaibu, Obaseki, they are it again. But when we campaign, say 2024 election, I said we campaign never banana. Now the time so they didn't win election. The campaign never reached down now done the campaign. Now so they didn't win election. I can't get it. See? The campaign never reached now done the campaign now. An activist, you gather some idiot, what he may be debating. Let us go to the activist for debate. Why no answer what you was content what he create. Your people you cannot teach. A man will since for the job like Christianity be now. A Jesus Christ ministry lasted for 3 years. People are there for 21 years now. Look at your own movement. Why are there? Your own movement couldn't last for 1 year. Go and look at everybody you brought up. You brought up dogs. Go and look at them everywhere. Boast of one member now who can even stand and talk to me in simple and correct English. Man, women marry school. Look at you. Gather some idiots. Talk to the governor of the day. How do you want the state to be? Write it down. What and what do you want the governor to do? So far, then one no boy or go. But your own life, there's something wrong with your life. Why are you not interested to fix up your life? I can't get it. A co-comrade like you right now, Sunday Igboho is in prison. Nnamdi Kanu is in prison. Would you talk about it? Would you talk about it because a coward him? We not love it. I don't make a donor me have money beer. A monetary representative we are. Look at the other people. Sunday Igboho is in prison. Come on, a do mighty like way boy now on your who. Then you are putting yourself again. Must you criticize the governor, but good. Always learn to criticize everything. I've said it several times. Only me one they criticize the whole government. But what I mean was imagine Tinubu is your friend. The very day you declare your support for Shomole, that is to say you are also supporting Buhari government. Made the agreement you enter us. It shows that you are an idiot. It shows that you are an idiot. Then your platform become APC platform. Your platform now because you are not ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Then you don't know the meaning of good governance. All you don't know about the good governance is to tie road. Who trained the teachers? Today, workers will enter office. Office. Who did it? Do you know how much to do those things? You think it will just put quota for road? Orion where you are from today, you couldn't draw them again because you no lawa. But you are the main problem. A man is just now. It's the major problem. And I wonder people that is following him or my educate to win anything. Once or what I go Obaseki, why you are going to comment? Go and tell them I have criticized Obaseki in his policy about injection. What are you criticizing him for? Mention one thing. And mention one thing you guys are criticizing Oshomole for. Oshomole, I'll be like you because of water temple general. God go punish you. You guys are talking about Obaseki did not sign at the grazing bee. When you've already investigated, found out that the 70% of cow in Benin is owned by your fathers and your mothers. The 70% of cow in Benin is owned by your father and your mothers. Why you always want to give this man problem? If he destroy house, they build for government property. Una say una narrate. What the governor go do for that state where get out to do? Mention one thing that the governor have ever did, and you said this he did it well, even though it's your father. Yeah, abroad, even though not their papa and I wrong. And right now, the people you people call thieves. Today they cannot come abroad because they are terrorists. The records are there. You don't even know whether they have investigated people. You are fooling yourself. Let me say how you stay in this new world. You gather people and begin to brainwash them. The freedom of the people is paramount. Apart from Oshomole and his idiots must come to power. Oshomole and his you don't even bother about your life. You went to Benin that don't think these people who were neglected now or organize solidarity with you. They are there fooling themselves. Now you guys are complaining about anti-grazing bill. How will it sign anti-grazing bill? I prefer Obaseki. Give these people some land. It's better than in Ohen. Right now, you guys are not fighting Ohen. How many of you came out and insult Ohen? or insult that Roland idiot. You guys will not. You must have to be the governor for everything. Then you are an activist. Why you guys deceiving yourself? Who is to do it? Is it not when you trigger, the government will not start from there? If the government refuses to put a proactive measure, then you start insulting the governor. Governor, why are you not doing this thing? Why are you not jailing these people? Curtis, you said them be your children. That's what this idiot is in America. So even though Curtis keep it today, don't criticize it. How will you be doing such a thing? Nobody will not get caught. If you don't know today, by one way or the other, you are a Curtis. Because the very day you shout automatically, you are a Curtis. But what are you using your for? What matters? You cannot even encourage, discourage children from being a Curtis. You can say all of them are children. Oh, hen are your children. Okay, now. Bobby Zwa, let me play the video to you guys. The chairman of Butchers for the whole Nigeria. Now, if Bobby Zwa is chairman of Butchers, I to say, he's the one controlling the cow in Benin. But none of you can idiotically send message across. Bobby Zwa, Osamede Adu. We heard that you are chairman of cow or meat. How come our people cannot go to farm? You can't say. The very day people are truthful, being that people true to be a sycophant. Because people are deadly. Is a wrong statement. Because they are very wicked. I have not seen some people be like that before. Why will you be exempting some people? Why will some people be above your criticism? Why? I can't get it. Why will some persons be above your criticism? The very day you choose to be an activist, be ready to condemn as many people. No way, no magba. You criticize it. Nobody cannot criticize. Moe criticize Obaseki and use our administration. I know how much I hated Obaseki about this injection because he in no way. But because you become Emmanuel the entire video now. I have not seen this kind of way what people. Listen to this very new video. It came out newly. Or what they want to finally crown Bobby Zwa. His own chieftaincy title. Listen. Listen. Just hold on. Listen. Listen. Watch it.
To the camp of the Adubahan of Benin Kingdom, Chief John Osamede Adun, as he backs the title of Shetiman Buhari as approved by the Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Mohammed Musa Bello. Chief Adun will be officially turbaned with the title, which means good person, on Friday, 22nd October 2021 at the palace of the Esu Buhari in the Buhari local authority area of the SCT. The event will witness the minister presenting the staff of office and certificate to Chief John Osamede Adun, who is also the second power of Katempe in Abuja. The National President Butchers Union of Nigeria event will also be witnessed by the Buhari Local Government Area Council Chairman, FCT Traditional Council rulers, top government officials and butchers across the country. The new Shetima will officially perform the horse riding as a senior cabinet of the Emirate. With this title, Chief John Osamede Adun will be attending all meetings, including that of the Council of Chiefs in Abuja and other functions as assigned by the Esu Buhari.
Now, they cannot see this thing now. You see the reason why Fulani are in Benin. Why cannot Baseki right now? These are people, you people made chiefs in your own palace. These are your fathers. Okay, you guys cannot Ali. If you want to kneel down. Beg your father, Baba. But all these people, they are seeing it that all of them, they are right. Now Baseki here they kill now. Why not they tell yourself the truth? Baseki met cow in Benin. Is it not your father that owns the cow? Is it not your father Isaiah and Aye? Why are you guys not truthful to yourself for once? All they know about development is all about tying road. What about he tied the road that cow can't shoot put unko? What about if he tied the road cow can't shoot put? How will a state like this developed? He finally carried the chieftaincy title, the one officially come on now to be attending on meetings. Is this man not supposed to be in charge to regulate the excessive killing of our brothers and sisters because he is the chairman of the butchers? When you're a butcher and a human being, not because of the butcher. Why you guys deceiving yourselves? And I see some animal. People now, I'm expecting that they may be educated by now. What are you learning from that idiot who have no single content? Who don't even know where don't read things in the Bible? Nene who are America for 30 who go as a book. You don't have one grammar to do on your own. You don't read. You guys have heard right now. Don't say problem. I told you people before. It's going to last for 600 years because the people agitating for a better society there, they are not up to 2. They are not up to 2. You just got that right now. You don't start campaign. Anybody that took you for campaign, that person should be an idiot. I will see how people survive again. Then you start criticizing the government now. Or Maekpa. The man is working. He's trying his best. Obaseki is not omnipresent. Omnipresent is not in everywhere. Try to see the best you can also contribute by agitating. Waterstone project. Who collected this money? Okay, now you guys will leave Bobby Zwana and start insulting Obaseki or man sign a B. How will he sign a B when a chief, the cows is owned by you people? Eruwanya cow. Then don't you see you are fooling yourself? Slaves. I told Obaseki, forget it because slave does not need light. Slave does not need Guru Road. Now the man that is signed right now to make sure the killing that be happening in other states. Only God know how this man regulated it. They are not full and they are not that killing like that in Edo. Only God know how he regulated it. Go and look at Igbo land. That's why people cannot go to farm. You people are not putting any measure. Mais no you a campaign on Baseki as what you people claim. More you criticize the government. What ori? Must you succeed with lies? This was how you people lie. This was how you people lie. Idiot in America, when you are not here born. You man mwe bogbe late Katosa. Because mommy no know warning. Born we what in a Katosa ogbe. Umami no know warning. Look at the even Oshomole you cause. Look at the other one they destroy his house. E man ogbe can wear. They no rag mo ogbe ramokpana. Because I carry the blood. This sacrifice or ikunwale gane. If you do what you think, use your own head. Forget about these people using you. We have a lot of problems today in our country. Bizarre, Boku. Talk about anyone. Pick up any fight. Begin to fight it. Oigbamagba. How many of them came out and condemned this injection issue? Why must you restrict your people from going? How many of them have even one day talk about what happened in Afghanistan? They don't talk about it because they have no brain to talk about it. And they are lying. How will you say state governor go and mobilize? Why have all look on Ray Village in Are? Where is the video? Where is the video? Why is we campaign in Babana? This was how people campaign and lose. I know why they lose. It tell we go politics, but I will warm up again. Liga can wana dota. Because you guys are double-minded. He's there in James chapter 1 verse 8. He said a double-minded person is unstable because you are very double-minded. You don't even know what they don't know what they want. You carry up some fools. Do I tell them no man about social media? Why not talk about other things that people will also learn from? I know what the state government learn from me. Sapler Road that they are protesting for right now. I talked about rapid responding. The government should create a rapid responding. A portal that they will when portal just start. Look for a way. Tell people to St. Phillips. These are the work of the military for environment. But you guys are not talking about it. All you do is to lie. To lie to spoil the governor's name. All what I've said about Governor Baseki. I don't lie to people. Oshomole Wagwale 30 billion, but that is not lie. It's there. The erosion is still there. What is the offense of this very man? To the extent you are lying that he went to go and remove pole. And the pole they brought out is new poles. It's new pole for crying out loud. What was you guys' problem? Now, he built Oshomo power plant. Why people not asking Obaseki, what is hindering Oshomo power plant for functioning? You can't ask. All you know is criticism. All you know is hatred. Oh, when I work better, it will not make you go, hey, why you there hatred? There are still areas that is doing well more than every other governor in that country. He could be able to contain the excessive killing of Fulani, despite because you people are not ready for your fathers and your mother to go to farm. They would have been going by now. Who gave land to Fulani? I showed one time in Igwoba. What village was that? I showed you one night that it was even the Izigan. Not be Wabazigan, they call this thing and be this RTV, whatever. Now they got video and come. People were confessing that how a man rented the land, the village for Fulani to be grazing. Is that one of your fathers? Is that one for the Obaseki? Now, how are you helping the government? Tell me your help to the government. You are using social media to paint the governor as if he is the worst governor in Nigeria. The printing of currency, Air Governor expose. Do you think they are still sharing money for him again? The money Oshomole borrowed, who is servicing the debt? Akpa Bobo, or you don't know, just tie road. Is it bad like that? When you were going NDDC the other day, that there are a lot of road that NDDC is not tying, they'll put and say they don't tie. They'll collect the money share. Did you people help him to fight for it? You cannot help him. Most of the time, we always say the government. You are majorly the cost because you are not ready to help. Look at what's happening right now. They pepper spray Italian citizens. What you just enjoy, you go there benevolently. Hey, I'm a so and so person. Italy, they are protesting the Italian citizens. This is how they always fight for their society. Tomorrow you want them to have the same, and as also pastor they give me. Italian people, I think is Bojono Tutti. I praise the Italian people. I don't know where their prime minister go find police hire come. They give uniform to other police. Maybe they beat their people. They are resisting. What you claim, it is good for you. But the Italian citizen, they says it's no good. The French citizen, they said it's no good. The German citizen, they said it is bad. Up to Australia, up to Canada, they said it is bad. They are protesting. But what have you been doing? Nothing. All what's happening in the world right now, you cannot criticize anyone out of it. It is right. Okay, look at this very good administration of this man you supported. Today, giving about fuel is at its high price. Gas, everything increased. You don't even study polity. You don't study policy. All you don't know is one way. Oh, show Baba. After 30 years in overseas, you don't see anything bad about what Oshomole planned down. You don't see anything bad about it. Now, you have used shirts. You prepare and give me. I was thinking it's still a new one, the way I used to wash my own normal one. I just put Omo for the A4, for the armpit. I wash them once. Now, this one I wash them with tear. You can't say that me tear the shirt. But how you felt to use them before? These are the things we are not getting. The government body is government. The whole Nigeria is bad. It needs to be shut down. Why that a Nigeria really exists? Why Nigeria is not existing. At least he could be able to contain the things that is happening on other states is not happening here. You don't know. They can send that Igreji be somewhere because wicked, their elder statement, they are not the one doing a cow business. You cannot protect your father's business, or you don't know, put the governor forward. Okagele came. How many of you insulted Okagele? How many of you insulted Roland Eko for selling Igwabazuwa land? How many of you? You couldn't, because one money you want woman. If you put everything on the state governor, why must it be state governor all the time? Why? And what are you doing to what you are called to do? Because rather than a politician where you are, or you support you lose. Who can't pay quack? Election hand be why are going? Because who want they follow and they do all this nonsense? Then I'm more for one. Then why make we pray? Jesus Christ or you cannot reward the phone wire. Because these are senseless situations. These are all senseless situations. Human trafficking you does not condemn. Cultism you does not condemn. Or Kagele does not condemn. Why one won't pass a run since 2017? Since 2017. Would you talk about that thing? Form a content. You can see read. My father old us, he told you letter a governor house. He was my old when he was even old. He was still very sharp, but all demon were you gather people and you are only if really you want to be sincere. You can say best say the history. Look at since 1999. What have these people been doing in Edo State? You say Oshomole is the best. You forgot it when the way we were insulting Oshomole in Italy. When they send a house Oshomole built, it was like a country. You started these old insults. What's when today now Buhari is no longer Mumu? What is good about Buhari's administration? This very recent administration, what is good about it? No wasadi na, no waho awagmo. Why am I fear to her? If you are tired, forget about this your social media whatever. Go and or a madness you were or increase. People they all begin to put and the people they are following them. Why will you be following a man that is insane? A man that is always double-minded all the time. Oh man, let the where on your Do you know what it takes to call beer for somebody? Only you a concert. Who could declare his name? We're not there, we're not there. Why terrorists in it? Who the bedo sinya kegbe? Mokpa we match kegbe na. Because I know you very well. The more they allow you to praise them, they do aya ko woto who follow man. Stupid thing. People Sunday Igboho is in prison. Nnamdi Kanu is in prison. Now who is to help us here? Who is to help us? You always pick a cheaper fight you can fight. You always pick a cheaper fight you can fight. A fight of criticism. Are you educating the people? Obaseki is bad. Obaseki is bad. Testami Road, what happened to it? What happened to personal money as a den? I hate people who talk anyhow. None of you is even truthful. One of you are demon. The governor of Nigeria, any person that is over supporting them, is even doing bad. The reason why I come today to come and speak on the behalf of His Excellency Governor Godwin Noyerase Obaseki is this. Why Ratori? You don't use activism to lie. If I say Obaseki is going to jail, if God is going to bless him, tell him God will bless him. Because I know the implications. No rare or loaded. That will criticize the government. He show I'm a very good person. He show I'm a very good person. If somebody I campaign for right now, or you are not seeing anything bad about what Yamu is doing. You are not seeing anything bad about what Shomole is doing. But when we matter where you are, Mama for nowhere. A boom where we follow the law. Oh, Shomole economic ball where una gele amen one. Where you can go today in America, can Shomole go there? No, you're not mokini. Can he go there? When Shomole are there, Baraka support. The man bog we want worry. We're going to do Baraka. We're not to La Madrid. Because I'm die. Igbegbo o tie man e kabano we do ami o can respect e we meje ya mi o we train iko bopa o iwa go kayate hombre what are you saying? Are you not that Shomole kayate? Yes, I will tell him. Nigeria they forget power, but you are making these people feel they man we dog win and I will betray. Don't we my betray back, you betrayed everybody. At your air one, I mean, who wait 2 hours. Now, we're doing the politician. I'm waiting for you the very day Kahamawe. The very day where I'm waiting. We are remote on road out. Mwemagafo, maybe I are Mwelu. Koime one way, then a Lucifer Salobwa, or say on Ago Salobwa with Kaki. He remain home way. I can't pay against you. That's why you have been looking for my play. I don't need to become a woman. The most useless man I've seen. Why will you still be doing this kind of program? We are at mess. We are at war. A state in where you are in, your own state governor in Mashodu. In Mashodu, where a Greg Abbott had a governor. Where now, how many times did you even come and use it to encourage Italian people or other people with their putting the first mandate on? Why will my governor put a no to green pass? Greg Abbott came out again last week, said the federal mandate already bad in or waiting in council, it will not function in Texas. Ron DeSantis, the governor of Florida, the same thing said. Why are you not telling your people about this thing? At least if you know have it, no. Why will federal talk and the state will say no? You cannot talk about it because you are an animal. Then you want to you call yourself a comrade? Then what are you telling your people? Emo Baseki. Ourame watie Ogionba. Then Wamaeta. Okay, Ogionba we no do you know why you guys who are joke. Who you guys are joker. And one thing I'm so happy about, the new world that is coming is not going to contain every one of us. Some have to go. The Efulefu need to go. Which you people have already paved the way. A lot of things will be happening here in Spain. I bring you here, educated. Tell us what is happening in America. How American politics is being played. You can't say it. Right now you pack goats and animals. Put it on your whatever. Then what Chris has a governor? Why no Ekogireva? Yaya Belo Agwanigon. Aero fire right now no Bell who kept quiet and there is killing Sata Kaduna every day by day. Agwe a state in Menakerege, a Buhari, a Casina. Why can't you tell your people the reason why Buhari, why will they be killing your state? You don't talk because women content. The more pass like one muwa. This was how people feel woefully. When I agbe later Capitosa, when talk Buwagbon. A partition wa money money. Because you wasted this money. What am I campaign? Are you okay campaign?
There are ways you sell your product. There are ways you sell your product. That's why Igbo people right now, they are the best. There are ways they will convince you, China made. Or you just turn to original. Or sir, bother me back down on this one you're using, sir. Sir, evil cream, yeah, cream, they'll tell you say they use are not being the use. You couldn't sell your candidate. You got failed woefully. Right now, the same APC that put us in a state of gadaga. Where you campaign, you say tomorrow, you say anti-corruption activist. I'm a freedom fighter. Freedom idiot. What I mean, you are a freedom idiot. We no longer. We no longer. Nene be an always use that not damn away. May be blame. Where we phone any we are going. What can so what do this one tomorrow? Ali, we are campaign. You choose a candidate. Okay, now you prefer this one more than not Obaseki. Good. You have already won the election. The way the state will move forward, that's the thing. If you want to criticize the let even the person you are criticizing be happy. The person you are criticizing at time will also be happy with Otemata. Why must you lie? Again 2024, and the one you did, you can't be you can't. You did one before you got faced woefully. Huh? What even the PDP or APC, the kind of campaign you are able to do, they don't even do it for themselves. They said they are ashamed. All the fight we fought, you've forgotten everything. We might not as well all together. With the virtue of the fight, a protest in Magba in anywhere, you are betraying our struggle. And the God of this struggle will punish you. The God of this struggle will punish you. The God of this struggle will punish you. Because you are at least selling out these people. Continue hitting the government until you get the results. Have you ever seen relented? He's not relenting. You can see people are keying. And right now, people are not know that it's a rising, so you cannot stop. Banana, this brafa. This song. A brafa or banana. It's this song. There's no two ways about it. Add your voice to any of these things. You can start fighting for Benin, whatever, Benin manipulation. Fight for one. What freedom are you not fighting? You say you are a freedom fighter. Who are you fighting the freedom for? A court is arguing now. Who go okay now? I'm going to call a beer for you people. You don't educate these people, or you come out to say they are my children. You give birth to vagabond and Australia wallaby. Then you pile up yourself with some Cassituan and Igret. After you have failed several times. You failed several times woefully. If your own movement was a country where a governor, let assume your own movement was a country. Look at it today since I started. All blows on. Go and see my video everywhere. Now let the foolish do the thumbs down for my video. Matter. Because me also know why. Because why? Because I refuse to be your slave. I prefer to be your enemy than to be your slave. It is punto ifina. I am until the end of time. That's why I don't dig people into Ayem and Osulefan. I'm not even after your family. I'm after what you are projecting in social media. This is a mess and it needs to stop. It needs to stop. We cannot continue like this. We cannot continue like this. Good evening, please. I'm a live broadcast. I will call you when I'm through. You cannot eat your cake and have it. Governor. I hear one idiot even saying, Lucky Gminedion were better than Obaseki. Trying to call, and everybody always support Obaseki. Some idiot also call it. These are people now. And it take like Obaseki. Go and check the meaning of development. Whether development is all about Ataupo. Go and check the meaning of development. Until you get the meaning of development, you will never know whether governor is working or is not working. And you guys don't know the meaning of development. Do you know what it takes for teacher to be trained? Do you know what it takes that you not come to work? The governor himself will know when you enter work. You don't know what it takes. All you see at development, then next day again, water wash and throw away. That's what people know about our development. He gives some gun to some killer, and right now that killer happens to be your friend. A guy, nana, data or one with 500 million naira a guy, nabana, where to who Obaseki, because you have not given money to any of your who were not American, were slave Nigeria. These people were supposed to be calling you with phone. Chairman, I want to do this thing. Stupid politicians, let them come and do politics here abroad. That kind of dirty politics, let them come and when you are there, ni mami agba attend party, ni riyan la yeso. Where they are learning, their money is meaningless. What you have imparted into your life for 30 years, o shomole go but who when we both no shomole because my me by there, oh boy, my go there. Agbona is it when we go ariwa. Why are we development? What later happen? When I have a soldier. If you are having problem, know that there are different things that is happening in each administration. Before this man came out the other day, someone called me and asked me one day. I've forgotten that guy and I never even know that he was on live broadcast. You know, I say, even the commissioners that will even be elected, are they be doing their work? If the administration can even function without these people, let him carry on. So far, he's on the right track. Commissioner for works, commissioner for health, hospital see the leak. They are not doing anything. Okay, what's the need of the commissioner? From my point of view, there is no need. Because I wasn't any go. I wasn't any go. Before that supply, you guys are not rioting for today. I grew up and met my father. If I'm lying, heaven again. Anytime there is pothole in our own frontage, my father will tell me, Nuti Yazekanoba, go and park a restaurant. Those are your Isaiah, I wear mate, and then or I'm with Nayawe. Ibaima, very glad, or erosion my day one day, because my father was a custodian of a very good society. You open your fence and you see pothole. Why not your buy one to make back before it now become a river ocean? They don't do it. All these roads that you are seeing, the DJ automatically started. It started from a pothole. Until we change our mind, there's no way we can have a better state. All hands should be on desk. All hands should be anytime you are driving. If your mind taught you have a humanitarian mind, come back the next day, carry some boys, buy one bag of cement, at least we present it from Wyden. Because right now they are no longer sharing money. How will you say Lokignadian time is better than Obaseki? It shows that you people are just hungry men. You are a bunch of liars and bunch of idiots. We cannot continue with you guys with these kind of situations. That was what make a lot of all rise up the other time to make sure Obaseki must be re-elected. Eri wa to no wawe, but wana ya pe video ladian. Eri ogion bano. If no cast in 1897, where you were not even alive. When I was the same character go away now. Because I tell my time because the Obaseki people were saying, he said, oh, we ain't one bow. I get to my point of view, I want bow, get one bow. I will the everywhere as the man who are at where he cannot be a governor. Obaseki cannot be a governor. Very well, I made the little well, I will betray you. Every betray, I will sell you out because you are an idiot. Let's quickly skip that. Please, we had enough about our brothers and sisters still involving in human trafficking. Please find other things to do. No condition they said is permanent. Find other things you can do with your life. You cannot continue like this. Our people are going to jail. This was how Osemi Guerrero came out and protested in Italy the other day. First protest. But he's not protesting about his brother doesn't have citizens. Imagine, you know, these people know you. You didn't even appreciate them. We thank you very much for accommodating our people. We know our government has failed. Please, one thing we should still do, when I was in the prison, I know that there are a lot of people that are there, as I was told, their case have not been, you know, they are wrongly sentenced. Please, the Honorable Court, can you revisit this case again? You didn't even appreciate these people. What they have done, the Italian government have done. Have you do it in your life, Osemi Guerrero? You have not done it. You did not condemn human trafficking. At the time these people right now, God don't sentence them now, give them many years. You come tomorrow and start making protests. You will come tomorrow and start making protests. So what do we think we are doing? You will come tomorrow and start making protests. Over what? Because they be a K-man, you be a K-man too. They will not be arrested. This is in Nigeria, you did. Look at it. A judge in Italy has sentenced 9 Nigerian nationals to a total
of 136 years in prison for trafficking young women and girls from their home countries to Italy, enslaving them there and forcing them into prostitutions. 11. Those one now is bye-bye again. Now, what are we getting? What are we getting? Here is not Nigeria. These things are bad. Forget about it. There's never a time you are grown. No matter how you can escape it. People that even do this deal way back, we not vomit and only 2. All of them, they vomited it. They vomited it. They still end up traveling to one way or the other to look for greener pastures. You go now, your buck and say, I know. If God say you go make and you go make and. If God say you go make and, what you just do, render yourself as a living offering. Start helping the people. Start helping people. If you cannot build 10 flats, your mates are building. If you can't build it, forget about it. Job they go to jail anyhow. We are not talking about Curtis way day. Yes, man, any lay here. When will we ever be known for better things? Nobody comes out and condemn this thing. We praise them. They are our best friends. It's no longer functioning. They must catch you. Imagine this activism I'm doing. I was one person, an air trafficker, for example. People don't go report me. They will report me. And I will go in for it. You don't know where you have to go tomorrow. These level people right now, they never expected. They put their children right now, or their husband, or their mother, their father, in everlasting pains. People, you use their leg to go work and enter jail. What are you gaining if you go to jail? You gain nothing. Please, courtesan. This trafficking, let's stop it. Use yourself if you must even want to enslave it. Enslave yourself. If one thing I like about it, but they'll say they're not to investigate. If you are enslaving yourself, if you like go and sleep road, they won't even mind you. They will even come at time and use it to make joke. You sit there here, you know they go out. They will tell you that. There are what we both do at times. Poketos, todavia está aqui. Esta noche ya. Não é que há muito frio. They will tell you. But enslave other people, now you know it's a crime. At the time you enslave other people, then you know it's a crime. This is a crime here. If they are taking it from your Janjaweed country, they don't take it here. They don't take it here. They don't take it. If you want to help anybody, help them. Even Muere now, even Muere, don't worry, go with no problem. I know Toby Frankans is here. If not because of you guys, because Megwa condemn me. If a state or a country is developing or if it is going down, we have to first of all check the factors that make it to go down. If not the same Europe today, if not the same, that's why have you ever one day say, I can't sort of they are the one today. No say if you 80% in me, the truth to be said. They came here, they make way to make sure their brother enter. And these people, they were celebrating. What they have done, the state government have not been able to do anything for any human being. But don't go and endanger yourself by going to jail. What you feel you are going to do to help other people, that time you go to jail for it. Roman talked about, he said, let not your good be evil spoken of. A lot of you right now, the reason why you are doing it, you wanted to help your cousin. Made for serious, you put down for house. Hey, don't follow this one, don't follow this one. At the end of the day, neighbor will go report you. What you just do, forget about it. Forget about it, because people are entering jail every day by day. People are entering jail every day by day. At the time you go to jail and come out, your life, they can make it to be useless. No matter the prayer you pray to Jesus Christ of UK, it can answer you. Let us not become a problem to ourselves. Level Nigerians. Level Nigerians. Today they are still investigating for more. Then you have all these idiots around. Okay, now your brother, your sister, they are involved in courtesan. You might also be a courtesan, but you are not misbehaving the way these people is misbehaving. Call them to order. These don't have to do it. I don't even think any courtesan is more stubborn than me. If you, I'll be saying, if you that you try me now, you are not stubborn. We converted our ruggedity into talking to building up a nation. That's it. Okay, now with this anointing, it's not me to use my anointing to talk to people. Insult the government, they go real fear. I can't go use it until they look for one person. Wait till they hustle like me. If I can't feel now bottle for your head, you fall. Or I can't feel cut off your head. What did I gain? Then I can't go to put for house. Then some idiot after the smoke, you go, oh, but that guy will go later. Oh, fuck up. Okay, what's my gain?
This thing I'm doing, I'm getting into. Do you know how many people we have educated? Do you know how many people we have educated? Do you know how many people today? How many calls don't enter my phone? And 3 calls. Why are they calling? And this was the reason why people were following Jesus. They were not following to go and hear gossip. They were following him because they know he's a compassionate father. Agosa, alelosa, naremi. That's it. We impart you with the little wisdom we have. That's just it. That's why I will go to extra mile to do some certain research so that I tell you, I mean, not the see people they learn from. It is hard for me to get more information. And right now you are getting it for free. In your boveno now. Please let's begin to advance ourselves. Encouraging all this, some of all these shenanigans, sag from January to December. My dear, you are not even helping yourself. You are bastardizing our society. A lot of us, we don't even know whether we are committing sin or not. Or you don't know that I go to the pub. You are helping them, you are encouraging them. Okay, with gossip, you want to come here. Look at one of our sisters now, he lies here and there. Oh, why wouldn't I do just to brainwash people? The gate of hell, they are doing their own, trying to microchip everybody. And you see some people gather around them, they don't tell you real thing. What I've said about the origination of the Bible, most of you today, you might have gotten it. Ah, really? Abraham, Jacob, oh, but see what happened. So you don't tell with this food matter start. Isaac told Jacob, go and cook for me. Or we see Mary. Esau told Isaac, give me food. Or see Mary. Jesus Christ was just finishing fasting. Satan said, turn this stone to bread. It has been food. So that is to say, I haven't been able to tell you that. I am not the best. But I'm trying to, you know, put in my best to see, at least, if it's only preamble I give to you, go and do your findings. Introduction. Who do the kind of program I'm doing the way? Just tell me, say, Newton, this person do this program. You're now. We have hit our society so hard. Tell these people the truth. Nobody ready to say the truth. Apart from sugarcoating things. Roland Eko will do something because oh man, you one woman. You later find out that he's a criminal element. Is every one of you not supposed to unleash on that person to make sure he go to jail? And right now, they might have free him. But what did they use you to drink water for? That the stigma will be there in the rest days of your life. That not even your children can occupy any political position in this life. Why will you get? Because me, I doesn't believe on it. That's why you don't share some video with me. I don't use it to humiliate anybody. You later find out that the same person who used you to drink water is an idiot. Then what are you not supposed to do? Then you are still clapping. How are we going to get a better society like this? Italy yesterday, they were tear gassed. Tear gas because this is how they have been struggling for their country. This is how they build up their nation. All these Google nations you see in Europe today. They don't just obey government. Government says zombie say now one. How many times they do protests for those states? Not be people see this go to sabotage the protest. That we cannot speak on one voice. That is to say, people doing protest, they are animals, they are fools. They don't know what they are doing. Now you get brain pass. You are going to watch the news that are going to be breaking and so on. The broken heart, first and foremost, will reduce you up to about 10 kilos. Go and mark my word. Because it's the word of God. Because why? You lack cooperation. We cannot continue like this. Anything we can, our brothers and sisters, they are in Libya, enslaving them. Nobody talks about that. We always talk about the things in our domain. We are encouraging these people. Hey, one thing happened for Torino. Didn't happen for this thing. People will gather. People will gather and talk and talk. At the end of the day, what did you learn from it? Nothing. What did you learn from all this trash? Nothing. No one single vocabulary word or vocabulary development that you will hear that at least I've learned this word. Nothing. We are there wasting our time. When this war, if this war even went to dinner, people don't even know. The Sabbath this thing that happened to Facebook the other day, a lot of you don't know, but people that follow me know that it's a sign of the trumpet. You don't know, you think everything is normal. Go and look at it now. Go to UK, there are food shortage everywhere right now. A supply, what's happening? We don't want to confirm anything. Then one idiot will come and talk about the state governor still. If I criticize you based on the policy you are bringing, if I try my best, I'll tell you the truth. But even the Edo people me are fighting for today, I don't even care whether I fight for you or not fight, but I'm putting it there. Today, right now, what are we talking about? We are talking about generally. General, we are talking. So everyone should be on desk. You yourself do your research. So that maybe this will not come end one day when you're not supposed to go out, you go out. How will you just always create something? Then people talking out of hatred. If you add them the GDP of Edo State, and none of them even know it. They don't know the GDP, they don't know the meaning of development. Even the governor, okay, we don't train the teachers in it. The teacher need to be trained. Because any teachers or career. Then later you say say the chop money. I'm under the government. If you have not destroyed your friend's house, it would have been a good government. If you have not destroyed your friend's house, it would have been a good government. Now he won an election. What are you putting in place to see how your state go forward? Why you let make a downgrade. Make a downgrade by line. You don't do this. Everything I put on media is true. That's why they cannot even come for me. If you even come for me, what are you arresting me for example? Do you know what's happening in Europe today? Should I break your heart here? I will not tell you what, give me your money. Where you cannot go, amen, you'll be quiet. Talk with facts. I will give you the fact. Newton, I will give you the fact. Mira. I will show them. That's why if Pedro Sanchez or Spain doing anyhow, I'll come and say Pedro Sanchez, okay. I go tell them, if president of the police, they know because that policy is bad. That's what the reasonable person should do. You don't just come and be insulting somebody. How many of you criticize him for the injection? You couldn't because you feel the injection was good because you are an animal. You feel the injection was okay because you are an animal. Because you don't think. Hello. Good evening. I'm Ola Brokers, please. I'm Ola Brokers. Yeah. What you now criticize? I don't criticize them. Now what you not supposed to criticize? Now every one of you they go to criticize. You feel the injection was good. The same Medo people that one first shouted. Hey, Obaseki, he have brought in Chinese, so hey, China don't give us something. The same you couldn't talk again now when the real thing can't come. Where they want to put for your body, you couldn't talk. Why not they forget body? Why do you always forget yourself? You say no today, tomorrow you are not saying yes today. Are you an idiot? The same people. Me that was telling them, come at it, please, cool down. It's not the way you think it. Obaseki knows what to do. I'm not the one now telling him that don't use this thing. But all of them, they flunked up because they forget themselves. They don't have retentive memory. These are the same people you put, I say, one of the many people when they follow, they'll put them for problem. Because they know where they take talk something. Because their head not correct. The same people that shouted, it was me and some one or two persons who could come in to suffer your way. Please, let no escalate. He have not used it. This something they know about it. But today you are happy. You are even the one calling your mom. And because we're Zwane, but where we were the same people who were where Jesus Christ were, they are protesting in Milan. They are protesting in Rome. Protest everywhere. Then who is not the idiot? You are the idiot who forget about your yesterday. And you say God is the same yesterday, today, and forever. Why are you forgetting yourself? Really, you have the Spirit of God. You don't have to. I am the one that have the Spirit of God. You don't have it. When palliatives issue came, I came and please, being that this thing is the whole Nigeria, let not overcall Obaseki bad person. Rather than let Lagos on the government of Nigeria. In general, you people started calling me names. But you know the names you call me. 36 states in Nigeria, all of them, they kept palliative somewhere. Let not over-castigate this government. Because why am one? When we want get sense. Government have order you sensitive. Because a senseless person will not even know whether the government is working. That's just it. Because what he's having is that he to see quota for road. That's it. A senseless person does not know whether the government is working. So the people that doesn't know whether Obaseki is working, particularly all these idiots in social media over ranting. They are nothing bad if you even say Obaseki, see what it go happen to human wave, nana. But something is bad. when you are totally against this man. Ogbo Omo you are. Okay, because he destroyed and leave the house. He said he's in a government property. If the guy believes no, he's not in the government land, let him go and fight litigation against the government. I sue a government. Why all this tanto history? I can't get it. Any person where they support any small thing, yeah, because I do say now only idiot go to the talk bad by now. What about, is it not people that elected Buhari that make Nigeria useless today? How many times have we ever one day start insulting you, rather than we are trying to put the necessary proactive measure on ground to make sure how we fix up the society? What has this man done? Because he's dealing with the Agbero. He doesn't hand over those states to you guys. That's why you guys are angry. Why would you be angry still? You lost an election, you lose it. That's it. Like difference between this man and these two giants in America, like what happened? The Democrat and the Republic. Look at what happened. I told you it was the Republican that win. You said it is Democrat. But come and say right now, the forensic analysis that happened in Arizona, why was there fraud there? Why was there fraud there? It showed that you are an idiot. Don't really mind these people what you see in media. Because imagine if you follow a blind man, both of you will fall inside the hole. Look for a better person. No a program. Your head go open. Imagine you are just coming up. You are following one man who does not even think. He's going to spoil your life for you. He's going to damage your life for you. All of them, they are reasoning like him today. They will never see anything good you say. When it comes at times, talking about the things he have done well, every one of you know, I praise him most of the time. It does not mean I need display. I will tell you if you don't fight that man, no one will say I will mention him by his name. Okay, Oba Seki bad in all the time. Oba Seki Otobowa. Oba Seki Otobowa. Ere our TV. Okay, nothing good in the man. At least having the courage to build Ocean power plant. Push harder. Let's see how he light up Edo State. Let's see how he light it. You people don't care. All you see, you are blind. Does it be about okay? When I'm making money, for example, what can they do? Why not settle down? Ask the government official, why is this place abandoned? Is it going to remain like this forever? Or what is happening? Do you know whether the contractor they gave it to is sick? You don't even know. We are always checking action, we are not checking motive. Are you the one that tell him to start it? You are not the one that tell him to start it. About a 30 billion Waterstone project, we see that the movie made the other time. And he said last year now, there was a place, one council like that, I don't forget the name. They went to go and carry the fire, they wanted to go and burn those places. But is there any of you animals who remind this governor again? Governor Obaseki, if you must do at all, if you must last, make sure Waterstone project 30 billion, you draw for us. You are not talking about it. 30 billion went down the drain. You want the same governor to put another 30 billion for the same project? Are you insane? Why are you not helping the government to fight crimes? Why are you not helping the governors? How about you now? Or you are a human trafficker? I don't think governor will start spending money to investigate any of my brother and the family. I don't think. If security is in the state, it's in the state because of you people. Because why we no sisi? Are you not ashamed of yourself? One of your chiefs right now took chieftaincy title in the name of cow. Then you are not talking to him. Sir, what this thing you are doing? Only 3 of us condemn this very thing this man did the other time. Apostle Alfredo, you know, sir, this guy said pass no humble also. Or you boy in the end. That young man, plus me myself, could come out and talk to Bobby's work. Any of these idiots couldn't say anything. Any of these idiots couldn't say anything. Then when it comes to governor, because a politician, if I would cause Obaseki any cause, he knows that discipline they give him. There are what you even tell a governor, you go and think himself and say, yes, this man is telling me the truth. then it don't sign out the grazing bill. Who owns the cow? Why don't you pay your do one man on a cow? How will you know the truth you are covering it? You want your state to go forward. It's going to remain a state of Gadaga. It will remain a state of Gadaga because you people know the truth. Who owns the cow? Have I not tell you to boycott cow meat? If your papa die and made for rich heaven a cow you keep, then what have I not given? The same food you are eating, you say you should ban it. You are an idiot. You must be a fool. Many people they love cow more than any other thing. They bet the cow no era wuye awuna cow. So okay, make draft cow come on for Benin. Why not suggest, okay, sir, right now there's no killing a dose. Let the governor at times do some certain things from his own mind. If you have any advice to put, governor, don't give them from Orion or go and give them in our reserve or don't give them our farmland. Then you should be saying that. Okay, how do you, where you say me Bobizwa put the cow? If you really love the Bobizwa, where you say me put the cow? Where you say me put the cow? But this say Bobizwa they do better tomorrow. And they see all of una comments. The governor wa yake on down where governor Togbo wawago. And they see all of una comments. Then whom are you people deceiving? That will say you don't know what you want. A man that don't know what he wants, that man is an idiot. We no longer very often. You don't know what you want. The same person is your friend. Or we agbe shaku one page. But he has a cow. He has been made emir of Kantakpe, also in Abuja, officially on the 21. A lot of you still got to go. Now because of cow that they give him that this thing. Not because of any other thing. They are giving him that this thing because of cow. I don't want your money. This D-Roya. The problem you guys have is that most of you don't think that's your problem. Obaseki is a disgrace. How? Is Obaseki a disgrace or you that using courtesan to kill yourself? You cannot talk to your father about at least Baba Waye Gime. Is it Obaseki that stopped your father and your mother from going to farm? How will you? Okay, only one fight courtesan. Wapa a courtesan. Wapa a human trafficker. Wapa a bomb. Wapa o hen on me matter. Where is he going to start from? Why not tell your father and let them be responsible for once? Let traditional ruling council do their job. Christians do their job. The students do their job. Now then we hand over into the government. Is it God? What you have been praying for, we say God is omnipresent. Is the earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof. Why has he not been answering you? Why are you still suffering today? The government on how to do all. Those states, which one thing for there? Those say where Obaseki carry come out. Say this thing we are there before. We used to have like Obaseki caterpillar and Icon German. Is it Obaseki that stopped your father and your mother from going to farm? Trace the root of your problem. Then you begin to find solution to it. All these hatred, una hatred too much. Beneath people, some of them. No, I'm not into politics. I'm just trying to correct one or two impressions. When I not even understand person self. I'm correcting an impression. I'm not into politics. Because we hate people that talk lies. You cannot just come governor. What about yourself? How responsible are you? How responsible are you? Let every one of us ask ourselves a question. How many of my family members is causing mayhem? Look at social media now, fool. Who is doing those? Whose family is doing it? Whose family is committing crime? Government has to start deploying police everywhere. Use your social media, reveal a lot of things to the governor. Okay, now you spend, okay, what is he not doing? Put it there. And let me tell you the reason for it. Anti-grazing bill, will you go and arrest your father? Will you be happy? If Obaseki start arresting your father right now, your father's cow, he said they should remove it. How will you feel? Let go and pay for things. They don't always use action. Check out motive. What's motive behind it? Courtesan. He is unable to crush courtesan because your father is the HOD of courtesan. Okay, no road in Benin. How many Obaseki block? How have been the road? If that road we had done 5 years ago, for example, he done it to spoil Nana. Have you ever one day asked 30 billion water storm project? Where is it? Where is 30 billion water storm project? These are problems. Moses were able to lead the children of Israel out of Egypt. Then we are seeing the promise already. God tell Moses, Moses, because you disobey me one occasion, And it was the pressure they put against Moses. Instead of him to pray, start hitting the rock. And who was the rock? It was Jesus. Jesus is the rock, the holy rock of ages. All of that rock I seek inside. Jesus is the rock, the holy rock of ages. All that rock I seek inside. That's why that was only the offense he committed. But God said, Moses told God, choose a leader. He said no. He told him, pray for Joshua. He prayed for Joshua, and Joshua got the double anointing of Moses. He said, Moses, go climb the hill. He saw the promised land, but he not enter. I continued from there. But there was still more work left for Joshua to do. But there was Moses to raise the children of Israel out of Egypt. Have you left Egypt? You are still in Egypt. You are still a slave. It is difficult for a governor to help a slave, because anything he does for you, your slave master will question him, or they may sue him to court. First of all, declare you are not a slave. Then we carry it from there. They carry it from there because you are immense. We know no road there been. How many road he block? That the road used to be good. Obaseki came and he blocked the road. Oshomole, you are praising today. He built school. How many years school supposed to spoil? How many years? A school supposed to last before it goes spoil, scatter. How many years? All what you guys are just doing. A lot of people are very senseless. Some of the most senseless creatures I've seen in my life. And these were the same people in the book of Genesis chapter 6. Read from verse 5. God was angry and he chose to destroy this earth. Was some of them, though a full. Not all, some of them. That was why God first of all destroyed, because they are not sensible. You are putting all what have been happening in Edo State before upon a governor for 5 years. Oshomole couldn't change Edo State to a state of Eldorado for 8 years. And yet he was owing pensioner. On top of all that, 30 billion water storm project. Because your father ate from me. You cannot talk to them. I will. Do you know how much is this car? Check the name in this car. I will not block you, but I'm going to tell you your life history today. This is why some of you are very stupid. 5,000, me 5,000. You are an idiot. Do you know how much I spend every day by day? We have them now. You go and check all my shit in here with social media. Do you think I'm like you people? Because right now they did not allow your agbeism to come on street. That's why people are angry. That's why people are angry. Not all about visit. Okay, now how come about to him? Now Obaseki give him power. You people are talking about administration. But what is happening in the traditional ruling council? Is it happening today in the political system? The most corrupt entity is the traditional ruling council in Edo State. That's where the problem is coming from. Because Obaseki have no mappies in social media, no guane, only chinya. Nagle do 10 years old. Some of your father collected some of this contract. You expect him to start spending money on a contract that has been awarded for other people. How is that possible? Then he go tackle. Do you know the exchange rate right now can even affect a contract? The exchange rate right now can affect a contract. How much is 100 euro now? About close to about 65,000 naira. Before, how much was it? A lot of you went to school. You study civil engineering, but you cannot tie road. Meet the governor. Let him give you this contract in naira. You people cannot mobilize yourself. You can't mobilize yourself. Right now, you have to convert naira to dollar before paying. The money that was supposed to be 1 billion as our last 2 years is now 500 million. The euro that you would have converted that's supposed to give you 1 billion is now 500 million. How do you expect it to work? Don't you know this exchange is affecting the government? They convert this money to dollar. You're not thinking. The more is high. If you want to pay any contractor, tell him, look at to first of all convert the money from naira to dollar. Then before he pays. But if it were to be Newton Construction Company, it will pay me in naira. From there, I pay it to my workers. These people, they pay them in dollars. I'm not supporting Obaseki. Don't get it twisted. Do you know what's called support? If they lie on you today, I will defend you. I'm only defending, not supporting. He's not supporting. This is where there are misconception. And it can be disgrace because you were here and disgrace were here. Maybe your father should be the one that is disgrace. If they do that's how people talk anyhow. Obaseki, I supported him. Why are you not talking about traditional ruling council? Why are you? Who is selling your lands? Who is causing land mayhem in Edo State? Is it the governor? Do you know today, if you are not senseless, the governor we are supposed to be in charge of lands? Are you aware of that? Are you aware of that? That there is a lot of things that the governor is not taking care of today in Edo State. It's being handled by traditional ruling council. Did you know that? Did you know that? Are you aware of that? We don't want to do funding, so we don't know a governor. Tomorrow night now, the same governor you are going to support. Oshomole right now is not the best because you don't want it. For those of you that supported Obaseki, you want to leave them to start unleashing on him. I have unleashed on Obaseki based on the policy about the injection. I have not seen anything wrong with what he's doing. Because God not there now than Nigeria. Anywhere God not there. Now waiting, they happen there, they happen so. I'm not saying but he's trying his best. Go and find out the things and things that are limiting this man. He didn't tell you he's going to use magic. 1 year just finished from the first tenure. Let's see what happened in the next 3 years. Oh man, after all, slave you working. Most of you are slaves. They not know that slave. I don't know why not they bought down ourselves. If not because of a lot of people just Newton, please try and correct this impression on social media. People are beginning to mislead people again about Governor Obaseki. Am I a politician? Am I campaigning? No. But let's always say the truth. Let's always say the truth. Those states have been like, we don't have teachers, we don't have classes. He built school. Why are they still lapses today? If you really build all these things you guys are talking about, why are they still okay, no Shomole, no Shomole. What about the road Oshomole did? What happened to those ones? Instead of you to criticize the government of the day, that this thing need to be changed. It need to be shut down and rebuilt again. Then you are criticizing Obaseki. This is how they brainwash you people so that you will not be able to know the meaning of governance. They are trying to mislead you guys by focusing your attention on Obaseki so that you don't know the meaning of governance. That's what they are doing. Obaseki, because it is destroying our God house. Look there, EPM member. If not, they know what we're going to view load then. Oh my God, we take away what came again. I can have you load then. Vaccinated moron. Even if you load then, area mo even if you load then, area why go and bagwan. Traditional rulers say why go and go. Why we know Obaseki you are doing well, Jare. Don't tie anywhere, leave it like that. If you want to share the money, share the money. A video in Mekpemu Wabana, that one not surprise you. That Una chief is going to Abuja officially to take chieftaincy title as an emir of Kantakpe. And that one not triple now. Who bring a Bafulani? Everything a governor. What matter now? So any person that doesn't say the truth must definitely keep on living in precarious positions. You don't have sense. Where do I go and make sense? Everywhere you work in my video. How will you be looking at somebody that doesn't have sense? I doesn't have sense. I have millions of quotes on my head. What about if I not have sense? Oshomole is your best governor. Idiot Ibungbe. Thank God that the injection is working. If I need you load the area of vaccinated moron. If they bro protest here where already they are protesting they are protesting, then you are happy. So the good one, God bless you. Yeah, wait, you want to go kill my other brother? Even though you be my other brother guy, even though you only my other coming. If you are even my other brother, nice. Yeah, me, I want when if you are my other brother, I'll block you immediately. You are my other brother. I don't have such an elder brother who does not think. Sorry. D-Roya, I do not have an elder brother who does not think. You are not my elder brother. I'm your elder brother in brain, while you are my younger one in brain. My elder brother way in brain. All amigo, Keta. I should be your elder brother in brain because we're thinking now. If those you don't need be working, for example, you will not be speaking like this. Not be West Nate for Entabu for Saturday final. How does Edo State find himself in this position today? A lot of things are happening. All you concentrate on the governor. A governor will form a courtesan. A governor Nyakao. A governor from Okagele. He banned Okagele that day when they were insulting him. How many of you came out? How many of you came out when he banned Okagele? How many things have this governor ever did? And you people rose up with your stupidity and say, yes, governor will want to say. It's always wrong. It was people like us who is also thank God for Apostle Alfredo Yunus, who have been in solidarity with the state governor several times with that number. But why you only yakin because Wamanu Wamata, all you want to hear governor is back. Why they tell Ogion Bana, Ogion Baka no? But he want you people, Ogion Bana be a team win what? You guys are stupid. Ogion Bana a team win what? You guys doesn't know what you are doing. I hate people does not think. Go and intensify your thinking. Where will you do with him? Nene do we go so. How does this thing started? We are talking about erosion in Benin. If that water stone project have worked out, will erosion be in Benin? Or Obaseki ya cover it? Hospital no boss, so more hospital for. Why you people senseless? What's your one luenwa? What's your nivia dress on a luenwa? We wanna come here. This sense is not even hard to acquire. Sit down, Martin. Where go bona? Try to visit. Is it not somebody that came met him at Vedo State? Vedo State here. How many road did Obaseki dig? Unwe road or Muria? Taran water we make Vedo State to be like that. Until we start telling ourselves the truth. How many road did this spoil? Oh, come my way, Miropa. That's what you are trying to tell me. Obaseki have not done anything. You guys are liars. You can't continue like this. 2024, campaign. When do we have the 2024? A vaccinated animal. Do you think this is just one we say 2024? Okay, that's what you think. That's what you think. Maybe by then we hand those ego. That you will be programmed. A lot of people will be. We are talking about how to build a country. Then you are talking about your thing there. Who give a dent to that? Why one worry about all you guys know how to do? No, make you company. Why not be constructive for once? How does this start? How is it the worst governor? Is it not the one that later free Ali from prison? Ali today, his person will be paid to his children. Obaseki, I lifted J sentence already. Is it not Obaseki? Is that no achievement? Is that one no achievement? So Fama Igago no wa, Rudog really da wa. Anything this man do, a problem or Larry. Which one thing has he ever done? Say, Obaseki, thank you for this policy. In mune politics or more, it's of you to face policy. And a man, a politics in Mugbe, in a Wuyo, and a one booking. A politics is more. Let's face policy here. Let's face politics is gone. He have warned you guys, he have warned you guys. Forget about the hate. What is not doing well, say it constructively. Look at the area, he's not trying. But today, where he is the worst governor. He is the worst governor. He is a very big pity. A mí me da mucho pena. ¿Qué tal, amigo? Muy bien. ¿Qué estás haciendo hoy?
Ir sin manos.
¿Y a cole hoy, no?
Sí.
Ah, bueno. Muy bueno, muy bueno. Bueno, adiós. Hello. Hello, I'm Live Broadcast. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Wait, just hold on. Let me put it on speaker. Hold on. Okay, you can speak, sir.
God bless you for this topic that you brought out. God bless you and give you and your family more.
God bless you, sir.
The truth needs to be said.
Yes.
Those vagabonds that are just coming on live video who don't have something to discuss about.
Yes.
How picking them and picking their generation.
I'm surprised.
Some people that are in Facebook that are on air, they don't have any topic to.
Yeah. All they do is to use the government for content.
Yeah, all what they do is to use the government to make money.
Yes.
I was watching, I just from yesterday, the one they were people went back to hotel. I was so shocked.
Okay.
Saying such a rubbish, somebody do this, somebody do that. Is it anybody that will be doing something that will not see the good aspect of it to say?
And if not Apostle Alfredo, you know, sir, that is even driving around showing some of the project. People don't even know. Go and find out. This man is not a noisemaker. It's not a noisemaker.
That baffled me yesterday is this man that comes from this channel. That's what he said he worked with Obaseki. If you work with Obaseki is done. Maybe you are connected to a case during the campaign time. Is it the time for you to be criticizing him?
I just surprised you.
You don't even see anything that Obaseki has done there.
I've done. They're very, very painful. Very, very painful. It shows that these people are just idiots. How can?
Because of education in that one.
Huh?
They are just being an antagonista. All they do, you know, when people hate you, they hate you. They hate that man with passion. Yeah. Oh, madam. Very idiotic human being. See that man will get that platform. He on this, he not fit control for 1 year. How many people wait there will not fit? I'm not going to say 5 million people. They'll call you, they'll call you here. Is he a leader? Has he been able to display leadership? Huh? Nonsense. I'm waiting one day they will call me. Let them come and debate me. I will defeat all of them. They are hundreds in number. I will defeat them in debate. Not only by insult. They can't talk to Buhari. Although why you cannot talk about their freedom. Igbo people, you cannot talk about their freedom. It's all about Obaseki. Now Obaseki kill Nigeria. Okay, Chairman. Add me for WhatsApp. May you send me your name. One love, yeah. I wonder, this of over hatred. Now beg me to criticize Obaseki. I hated him so hard about the injection. I hated him so hard. What will be more than that? At least if you guys are not senseless, it's enough for you to say, this new thing is really a nice person. He does not support any bad thing in his life. I don't support it. Then you are there talking. Look at down the top. Say where that brother I mean. God forbid bad thing. I don't have such a senseless that brother. All my that brother they are very well read. They are very well read. We don't think upside down. Majority of people they don't think upside down. They think before they talk. They don't talk before they think. How will you say he's the worst governor? How is he a worst governor? What has he done? What has he done? Tell me one crime he have committed. You are not even say right now, I don't like the governor. If you are just saying, okay, I don't like the governor because the policy improved the injection, how they hear? I go they hear. Now is the ragged now. Can you even copy and paste in a while? Call some media. You guys come and invite me in your debate. I don't just debate one here. I refer you both to the Bible. Better people here making stances in my way. Let me see how you are going to defend that idiot. Somebody's going to be tried. Who not the count rather? Not be 21 they go this thing. If we don't why one can. And I know they talk about that one. Please let it here. God bless you all and do have a nice day. I think today's day is 18th or 19th. Please, if you are calling, call me later, please. I'm going to end this video now. I hate people who lies. Those that know how to do good and do it, not to them become a sin. If you are doing, when I have video ladian, idiot in America, on a do a come ya ladian, consul Philip, Ryogan Bawari, on ya campé, election maese, we man dolo de nuri gagbe, you egbu. You are not even confirming what is inside your system. All you know, you can see talk and eat a banku, eat a man, akpa. You don't even know about what is happening, and you don't want to know. You don't want to know. You don't know what they are using you for. You don't confirm it. You are campaigning for 2024 election. It's a very big pity. One of the chef for ourselves. Why? Who is using you people? Who is using you people? That no more when you were born on one Basaki Tobuwa, when we are Heke. Today is 19th of October. On Tuesday, 19th of October 2021. God bless you all. And do have a nice day. I remain your beloved brother, Comrade Newton. The Bishop of Activism, the hero for democracy and ambassador for good governance. A grand patriot. Do have a nice day. And we are still waiting for the trumpet. It may take time, but it will come soon. God bless you. Ciao.